Hi everyone, I am Dr. Karishma Kagodu, certified plastic surgeon from Bangalore, and we are at Dr. Karishma Aesthetics. Today I am going to talk to you about the breast liposuction. Now this is a very intriguing procedure and a newly developed procedure probably in the last decade. Usually when it came to breast reduction, it was always the classical breast reduction where we had to cut and make cuts on the breast, and we had to reduce the breast size by cutting into tissue. But many people did not know that there are certain minimally invasive techniques to also reduce the fat content in the breast, and that is breast liposuction. Now with minimal scars, with minimal cuts, one can get a reduction in their breast size by this very versatile technique. So in a breast liposuction procedure, very similar to any other liposuction procedure, we make tiny 2 to 3 millimeter cuts, probably underneath the breast or near the armpit area, which is least visible, and then we pass these fine cannulas, similar like liposuction. We infiltrate it with a local anesthetic fluid, and then we suction out the fat. Now, as you know that the breast of a lady is composed of a gland tissue and also partly of the fat tissue. Now in the younger women who are under 40 years of age, usually there is a higher percentage of glandular tissue as compared to the fat tissue, and usually we get very less amount of fat. But younger girls who have extremely heavy breasts and are troubled by it cannot undergo the classical breast reduction, which involves scars, and they all are coming and looking for procedures which gives them the least amount of scars. Now this is the procedure that one should opt for someone who does not want scars, probably wants to reduce about 30 to 40% of the volume of breast fat content, wants to reduce the size of the breast by 1 or 2 cup sizes, and also is probably unmarried and doesn't want too many scars. So this is an ideal procedure for them. It is a daycare procedure. It takes about 1 to 2 hours. It can be done under sedation or even general anesthesia. My patients come on the day of the procedure in the morning. Once they are done, they go home the same day post lunch, and in the recovery phase, all you have to do is wear a supportive bra for about 4 to 6 weeks. There would be a possible bruising and swelling or a redness, sometimes a hardness in the breast for about 1 to 2 months, but usually it resolves gradually. So breast liposuction is a way to go for someone who's looking for a breast reduction but does not want scars, wants it least invasive with minimal amount of trauma. If you want to know more, subscribe to our YouTube channel Dr. Karishma Aesthetic, and make sure you hit that bell icon in order to get all the latest updates and videos.